Welcome back to New Perspective Explorations. It's Monday, the first day of another wonderful week. And after a wonderful breakfast and a little spontaneous exercising, let's see, today I'm going to finish up the video for Josh. I'm going to start on a video for James for Linspiration. There's a couple other things that we're going to be doing today, so let's get started. So it's really cold out here, but I wanted to tell you something amazing. And this is the reason I call this the New Perspective Explorations, is because God made an amazing animal that can live in a cold environment like this. Though New Zealand is a little colder of an environment. Anyhow, there's this little bug called the wada, and it has something flowing through its body, kind of like our blood system. It's called the hemolymph. It flows through his body, but what's inside of that is something called the trehalose. And that, when it gets freezing cold and the bug starts to freeze, it goes through and it breaks down those ice crystals so that it doesn't damage it. Then, when it gets warm again, months and months later, it can just thaw out, it wakes up, and it can go about its normal life. That's pretty incredible. You've heard about this insect. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. And once again, I got this information from creationproclaims.com. There's all sorts of information, amazing facts all about creationism, and it is just an awesome place. You should check it out. So now I'm going to go back inside before I freeze. Okay, I just finished Josh's project, and now I'm moving on to Linspiration project, which we are calling the Walmart Tripod, coming to a channel near you. Okay, so here we are at someone else's house, a friend of Josh's, and I'm doing some drone shots for him so he can show people. It's kind of disgusting because the snow is kind of melting, so that's what we're doing here. It was kind of a last minute thing, and there's going to be a big snowstorm tonight, so we might be back here tomorrow, but for right now, we're just trying to get some shot, just get kind of the layout of the land. So it's a beautiful property, beautiful drive and everything, but we'll see.